Hello everybody, thank you for checking out our video. Today we have a 2011 Porsche Panamera S 4.8 V8 in here, direct injected, really nice car, 56,000 miles. It was owned by a doctor. He took great care of it. The vehicle was actually repainted several years ago. You can see he did the green calipers as well. I mean, it is immaculate inside and out. This car, great condition. Check out the inside. It's loaded up. So this one here, he has Pirellis on here, the rear entertainment system, sunroof, comes with extras. Have a full, the leather's in great shape. Go ahead and start her up. So 56,000 original miles, 887. If there's something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout, 228-438-2056. You can text us, call us, check out more of our inventory, www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you know somebody might be interested in this, definitely let them know about it. And if you have any service needs on a Porsche, Audi, Volkswagen, or other foreign and domestic vehicles and you're in the South Mississippi coast, give us a holler. No job too big or too small.